So when we're trying to find the area of this tiny shaded region, we actually have to do two things. The first thing we have to do is find the area of this sector, okay, this slice of our circle, the whole entire thing, okay, of which the shaded area is a part. And then once we find that, we subtract off this triangular region. And that will give me the answer for what I want. So let's go about doing the first thing, finding the area of this sector. Okay, so we use the sector area ratio, which is sector over pi r squared. So the area of the sector compared to the area of the entire circle is equal to the arc of the sector, or the central angle, divided by the whole entire 360 of your circle. So here we have our proportion, and we want to cross multiply. So we have 360x, and we have that product there. And when I do all of this in my calculator, I get 17.8896 as the area of this entire sector, the whole thing. So now I just need to figure out what the area of this triangle is. If I could do that, then this is a subtraction problem, and I will figure out the little yellow shaded portion right there. Okay, so if one radius is 5, that means the other radius is 5. Okay, and I'm going to use a very handy area formula, which is if I know two sides of a right triangle, or two sides of any triangle, and I know the angle in between those two sides. So 1/2 of two sides of a triangle times the sine of the angle between them, that will give me the area of that triangle. So applying that to our triangle, that is 1/2 of 5 times 5, the two sides that we know, and the sine of 82, which is the angle in between them. And if I put this in my calculator, I get 12.3784 as the area of the triangle. So now that I know my entire sector and the triangle portion, I simply have to subtract them in order to figure out how much is left. And when I do this subtraction in my calculator, I get an area of 5.5113 square inches as the area of that segment, or the area of that portion of this sector, just like that. So find the entire sector area and then subtract off the area of the triangle, and that will give you the shaded region, what we have here.